Today I'll show you how to make reflections in Affinity Photo. Let's get started. If you'd like to follow along with me, I've left a download link for today's photo in the video description. The first thing to do is make a selection of whatever we want to be reflected. So in this example, we'll make a selection of the ring. To do this, I'll get out the selection brush, and then I'll paint a selection across the ring. Once the selection is finished, we'll make a duplicate copy of the ring. To do this, press Ctrl-J if you're on a PC, or Command-J if you're on a Mac. Then press Command or Ctrl-D to deselect. Now in the Layers panel, you can see that we have a copy of the ring on its own layer. So next we'll get out the Move tool. With this tool, we can right-click on the ring, and then go to Transform, Flip Vertical. Then we can reposition the ring. I'll also rotate it so that it mirrors the rotation of the original ring. Next, we'll add a mask to the reflected ring. We'll use this mask to fade away the reflection the farther it gets from the original ring. To make this fade effect, we'll use the Gradient tool. With this tool, just click and drag to make the mask go from 100% white and visible to 100% black, which is 0% visible. With just a simple mask, our reflection already looks so much better. Now we just need to select the ring's layer and lower its opacity to whatever looks good. Look at the beautiful reflection we've made. How easy was that? Thanks for watching, my friends, and I'll see you in the next Affinity Revolution tutorial.